Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make money in the fastest way possible, okay? It's just easy. It's all about finding the right crypto and imagine like if the crypto costs like so little, like for example 0.10 dollars, and you're selling it at 0.15, so it went up only 5 cents. Imagine it just went up like 5 cents, and your investment is $100. Then guess how many trades should you make to get $1,000? The answer is 18, 18 trades. And why I chose the fees 0.05? Because in Binance, the fees will be around 0.05 of the crypto. Okay, but all you need to do is to get that low fee is to buy BNB, and then you have to go to the settings and Binance, and then uh, like like apply it. You have to apply the fee. Okay, you have to activate it, and I'm gonna show you some mathematics from Copilot Microsoft. So the question is, uh, my investment is $100. The X crypto, whatever crypto. If you ask me which crypto is the best to trade in, I would say to you Cardano. Okay, it's a short term card. It's a short term, and also it's one of the best cryptos in the world. It has a good future. So you can buy Cardano, for example. Anyways, the X crypto costs 0.10, and I will be selling it at 0.15. The fees is 0.05 X. It's the crypto, okay? The fee, it's like minus the crypto. How many trades should I make to get $1,000? Okay, the answer is, as you see, it's taking the information, it's using it. Okay, let's go down, and you can do the mathematics with uh, Qpilot. I'm just showing you. I'm not gonna go in the details. Uh, and this is it. You know, this is it. Okay, so it's that easy. So imagine like doing just 19 trades, like it will get you to $1,000. Imagine you just invest, you just put it in $100, okay, and out of it you made 19 trades. Okay, so and let's ask a question. uh, how much percent did, did it increase to when it went from 0.10 to 0.15? Imagine uh, 50%, uh, and that's actually crazy that it went to 50%. Yeah, exactly, it went to 50% because if it went to 0.20, it means 100%. Yeah, and this is it. Uh, I'm gonna make more videos about the investments and which cryptos to choose, so that you can gain a lot of money out of it. And that's it. Simple and easy. Not too much information, but very important information for you to think on how to invest. My advice to you: is to set a goal, like this year, the coming year, let's say 2026. Uh, set a goal that you want to make 100 trades, successful trades. 100 successful trades, and try to reach this goal. And at the end of the year, you will be making a lot of money. Imagine if you made 300 successful trades. It means like you made uh, like the whole year, like you're winning the whole year money. So it's crazy, but you have to find the right cryptos. I would uh, recommend you to choose to take Cardano, XRP, XLM, and Avalanche. Okay, these are the best cryptos. And this is it, guys. Have a good time. Take it easy and make a lot of money. Okay, see you later, alligator.